Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mark Roerick from Advantage Chiropractic, and we're going to show how to do a baby adjustment. Sometimes parents have some concerns about adjustments on babies, and this is little Matthew, and his mom and dad have brought him in. And how long have we been taking care of him?
Since he was about 2 weeks old.
2 weeks old.
He's
so
5 weeks. So.
He's getting bigger. So most times kids will be asleep, and he's waking up. Yeah. Hey bud. Are you awake? Oh. How's he been doing?
He's restless.
Restless.
Once he finally falls asleep, he sleeps great, but it takes so long to sleep.
That's crying on me now.
That was a good one. Hi.
Hi, buddy.
Are you developing your curves? Okay. Oh, dude. Can you say hi to the camera? Hi. Hey, bud. Has he been sleeping? What's he is sleeping?
At night, during the day, we can't get him to nap very long.
Okay. Even Dr. Mark likes to take naps.
So do his parents.
Yes. Hi, bud. How's it going? And the adjustments are just very, very gentle. Yeah, we're doing a little adjustment right here. Yep, trying to help that spine function better. Alleviate any pressure on the nerves, helping the body function better. Right, Matthew? Good boy. Yay! And that is how we do a baby adjustment. Yay! Okay.